This video shows how to save a graph created on a data frame as a PDF using the Python library Pandas and Matplotlib. Here you can see I am importing the necessary libraries. Now I do this a little bit differently than what is conventional. I like to import only what I need to perform the actions in a given notebook or Python file. So instead of importing pandas as PD, I am explicitly importing the DataFrame function from pandas. I am also importing the rand function from random. This will provide us with a random set of numbers within a range. And finally, I am bringing in pyplot as PLT. Again, this is imported a little differently than what you usually see, but it is doing the same thing as import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. If you are trying to save a visual generated by a data frame, you'll likely have a dataset you're already working with, but I am not. So I will create a fake dataset by passing a dictionary to the DataFrame function. This dictionary contains the column name as the key and the rand function as the data. Passing rand the value 50 will give me 50 rows of data. Executing the cell, we can see that that is what we have below. Next, I have a few functions to perform on PLT. First, I must plot the data, which I will do so by passing the plot function the column of data. The next three functions are not necessary, but will be helpful for understanding the visual in the produced PDF. These functions add index as the X label, value as the Y label, and fake data plot as the title. The last function of PLT saves the generated plot in the cell as a PDF. Executing this cell, you will see the visual produced below. You will also notice a file has been created in our directory. It is fake_data_plot.pdf, which is the name we supplied in the last line of code. Let's open that PDF and see what was created. And here we have it, a PDF of the visual that we just created, along with the labels we added for extra clarity. So it is quite simple to do. First, make sure you've imported the standard libraries, which you'll likely already have brought in given you're working with data frames. Next, plot the chart, adding whatever other elements you would like to it, including features such as titles. And finally, use the savefig function, making sure you include the PDF extension at the end of your document name. Thank you for watching. Please do let me know in the comments if this was useful. Let me know what other features of Pandas or Python you would like to see in future videos. And please do give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you know when the next video releases.